Hello, creators, and happy holidays. Welcome to Creating with Miss K. Today, I will be showing you my candy cane Christmas tree. This tree is in my guest bedroom, and we will take a short tour of the guest room. But first, my intro and then the video. This is my 6-foot slim white iridescent tree. I have it decorated with red and white striped deco mesh, large candy cane ornaments, as well as small candy cane ornaments, red sparkly ornaments, and white ornaments throughout the tree. This tree sits in the corner of our guest room. It has a fir tree skirt. I just realized I didn't turn on any lights in any of my Christmas videos. I am so sorry. Here's a look at the guest bed with a white and gray comforter and many pillows and, of course, red pillows to pull everything together. These Christmas pillows are nice and sparkly. They match the grays and the red. I even hung a red wreath over the bed. This wreath I found at Joann's Fabrics. They were having a sale and I knew it would match this room perfectly. I placed the throw at the end of the bed in case our guests may get a little chilly, as well as a tray styled with a glam fir Christmas tree and other beautiful Christmas decor. I know we probably won't have any company this Christmas season. It's still fun to have the guest room decorated for Christmas. Next to the bed is my DIY mirror and my DIY red tree and my DIY fir table. I thought all of the fir DIYs would look really pretty together. The chair is almost a DIY. It's just a plain white chair. Well, I painted it white and then I added a fur rug and put on the chair and added that pillow. I love to DIY, you guys. I am so loving that corner of the room. Here is a baker's rack that I bought from a yard sale many years ago, and I decided to style it with as much Christmas decor as I could put. As you see, I have a red reindeer, a floral with gray and red poinsettias, and up top are just some silver flowers that I bought from Z Gallery and added a couple of candy cane ornaments just to pull things together. What do you guys think? Oh, and the floral at the bottom, it's a DIY as well. And those glitter balls, I've had them for so long. Those glitter balls are a decor piece that can fit into any area and just be a showstopper. I love how this room turned out. It didn't take me long. I finally removed some of my fall items and added Christmas items. So I'm pretty pleased with what the room looks like. I like to walk down the hall and just kind of peek in and say, that looks pretty good. Now, this floral piece is this vase. I want to say I bought from Ross over the summer. I added a couple of florals, the white florals, they're from the summer as well. But today I went to Hobby Lobby in search of some more flowers, and y'all, they are just about out. They now have spring florals. So I found these red and white. I was looking for plain red, but when I found these red and white, I said, you know what? These are for me because this is going to match my room perfect. I added a few red berry picks, put it together. I was so pleased at how everything turned out. The reds and whites, they are looking just like Christmas. I can't believe it. This is the 7th tree I have shown you. I hope you have enjoyed looking at all of my Christmas trees. I will link all of the videos into this description box. This has been so fun, decorating and sharing with friends. Stick around, keep watching. Hey, and if you like these types of videos, you enjoy decorating, you like to DIY, and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And to all of my subscribers, my dear friends, thank you so much. I pray that each of you have a Merry Christmas. I love you all so much. I appreciate everything that we do together here on YouTube. You guys really make my day. And I hope that we are all learning and inspiring each other. Once again, have a happy holiday. Be blessed, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.